How to set up your mobile browser for survey. Okay, my name is Muhammad Mubarak Yusuf and I'm the CEO of Mobile Guru. And today guys, I'm teaching you guys on how to set up your mobile browser, your Android phone in order to take surveys. Okay. Before we get started, please, I would like, if you're a new member, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Should in case we post video like this, should be the first among to watch it. So let's get started. Alright. I need first I need to set up my this thing. I need to create Gmail. So I need a VPN. You can use any of your VPN over there. Alright, just connect to US. Connect to US. And go to your Gmail. Make sure it's US. US Gmail they are creating. I already talked to you guys on how to create. If you don't learn, just watch this video to the end and watch how to create US Gmail. So this is how you create US Gmail. Add. Scroll down, you add and select group. So alright, you can give it any name. You have a first just create personal, not for business, just for personal. So you can just give it James. Donald. And you continue. Let's give it an date of birth. So 1998. It's not bad. Alright, 1989. So let's continue. Alright, James. Donald. Let's give it a number. I never know. So that's already it. So for this. Yes, something. Let's see. See? Then give you a password. So I just want to create this Gmail for education purpose. So you see I've created Gmail without number verification. So don't forget, like I said, it's for education purpose. So we've created a first US Gmail. You need to use VPN to create your US. I'll be using the method now we're going to log in on our workspace. Let's put down James, here's our new Gmail. There's our new Gmail. That's already been created. You can say James Donald. James Donald. Alright. Let's just go and secure it, It's very important. Secure it. So let's go to security and submit first. Let's go to security and go to backup. Go to backup. Don't forget, don't add up your number 8. Even though you're verifying, make sure you use US number to verify it. So it's a by number, but you don't need it now. Since there's a bypass way. Just learn how to do this bypass first. It's not hard. So alright. Just send me a code. I'll check. Alright, 822.792.82. So it's 822.792. So see, we'll verify. So we'll go back. Alright, it doesn't verify. Yeah. So. Alright, we now have a fresh new Gmail. So okay. Alright, we'll use it now to go out with our workspace. So don't forget, we've already downloaded our workspace, but I just want to once again. You search on Highland. Then here's the app. You download it. Highland Early Access. You download it and open it. So you can see here's your island. Guys, where you be doing your work, and here's your main phone. That is your mainland, your main device, and here's your workspace, casual environment. This is how it is being set up. You can see this is the main phone and this is the workspace. So inside here is where all your new applications will be using. It has its own Play Store. You can search if you want to know that it has a Play Store. Just search on Play Store. So we have two Play Store. So here's the new Play Store. Just come here to add up to start registration. So just want to log in. With my other device, I need to log out. Let's see. To grant permission to go. If you see it on another device, I have to log out. Good. Let's see. Alright, I have a permission to log in. So the only device I need, the only thing that I need is two things of signing in. Okay, I don't need this. Let's see. Press save. So alright, we have a Play Store now. We have two Play Store. Yes, your workspace Play Store and your this one here, this first one listen. Is your workspace Play Store and here's your main phone Play Store. You can see it's different application. So I'm going to download what Brave. So I need to install Brave browser. I need Brave browser. So here's it, search it. So here's the Brave browser, I'm going to install it. So it has installed. You see it has installed successful. And also I need Super Proxy. There's a Super Proxy for our VPN, our IP setup. That's been installed. So let's go back. You can see it to be added now to our. You see, we have already added a Super Proxy browser. You just go to your settings, go to your workspace. You can see I've added what Brave browser and what Super Proxy. So the next thing we're going to do is to set up our IP address of the Super Proxy. Okay, so come here. So let's see, we have our IP address. Have an IP address like this. So I'm going to use my IP address. At the end of this video, I'll double it, so shut down the IP. So you see, if you want to set up your IP address for mobile devices, Android devices, you see, I want to set up the Super Proxy now. So you come here. Okay, you see. So the last one is the password. You just go to my thing and you just put in. I'm starting from the last. Let me delete this color double. Then I come here and put it as delete this. Then I put my ports. Delete this, and I just assign. And boom, that's all. I think my periods might be down. Periods might be down. I think my IP address might be down. But this is the best way for you to set up your proxy. And so here's the best way. I should have a proxy. Let me test proxy. Let me see if there's a way from let me use one of the proxy from here on my main device. Active proxy. I do have active proxy. This is an active proxy. I should go to proxy from one of these sites. I'm just going to pick a proxy and test one of the sites. There's a rotational proxy. I just want to test. Just want to test. So just much as long as you have your proxy. As long as you have your proxy, you are good to go. Your IP. Port. And as username and password. Password. For training sake, I'll still change. This is for training sake. So everything is green. If it's green, that means it's active. If it's green, that means the IP address is active. If it's red, the IP address is not active. So that's it. See, everything is working fine now. It's not fair. So you see, it's working fine. So now we have connected our proxy. We've connected our proxy. The best thing is to go to the workspace and test our proxy. Save is working. See, we just install our browser. Okay. So we can put page.net, like I always say. It's a who.net. Right, let's see. So let's wait. Although these strong advanced browsers are not meant for in-depth analysis of IP, I don't recommend such kind of browser. You can use your Chrome browser because regarding all this kind of in-depth analysis of testing IP, I would prefer using Chrome browser to run it. That if you want to take use of it, Brave browser is the best. So you can see our IP address has been set up. Yeah, it has been set up. But they said what your time, your system time is what +0. That's British time. That means you need to set the time to a US time. So the thing you need to do is put settings. Scroll and look for your time. Cover to your region. Make sure your region is United States. United States. Okay. Then go back. let's select the time to okay, that's it. That's it. Let's refresh. This until 100. Alright, everything is now green, so let's get stuck. Yeah, let's get stuck. So you can see the IP address is 100% diagnostic. That means it's okay. You're good to go. I mean, you're good to go. You can start your survey. You're done setting up. So this is how you set up your hardware devices. So everything is working fine. This is how you set up your Android devices for beginners. Those that they're beginners, I wish you guys best of luck. Enjoy your training with Moteguru. Must. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's already 1 a.m. Just took nights to do this shit and say good night. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Once again, I remember Tech.